Something to watch out for Copart, death traps. And once again, we blame this on the forklift driver. Oh God, it's even worse now. Now if you step on it, you die. All right, so what we have right here is a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan. It retails for about $12,000 or so. It's at 60,000 miles, and it's here at Copart. Let's find out why. And this would be a good reason why. It seems that the entire back end was smashed in right here. And as intimidating as that may be, I mean, it might take some creativity to get this entire hatch off, but I mean, you buy a hatch for like this for like $600, $700 off eBay. Fix up the bumper, maybe replace the bumper for another $200. And for $1,000, I mean, you get this thing looking fairly decent. All right, well, real quick, let's see how the engine looks on this thing. I mean, for 60,000 miles on 2015, I can't expect it looking too rough, even though it kind of is. Oh, Anthony, get out of here with that.
Sorry.
Anthony's gonna take me out. This is pretty dirty for a newer car. But you know what, sitting out here in the dust, out in this empty field at Copart, a lot could happen. It looks good, but it's looking awful high. I'd be confident to say that I'd still buy this thing. Let's see how well it runs, if it runs. Tell you what, it looks like a 2015 car because it's nice in here. Smells nice, feels nice. And we got sounds, we got lights.
It's nice.
Oh, that just turned right over. As far as I'm concerned, there's not even a check engine light or nothing on this thing. The bids right now are at about $1,200, and I mean, say if the bids bring you up to about $3,000, maybe even $4,000 after fees. I mean, think about it. For $1,000, you fix this thing as a $12,000 SUV. You can't really beat that. All it takes is a little handyman fixes on your own accord. Insurance wrote it off because as far as they're concerned, it wasn't worth fixing. Let's see how well it drives real quick, because when you get a rear end damage, you don't want it to not be able to move. Oh, it's driving. Get out of here. Don't listen to this guy. It goes forward, it goes backward. That's all you can really want. Yeah.
Wait, what does it say? Cancel rear camera?
Rear camera is currently unavailable. Well, I don't blame it after seeing that rear end damage.
A snowflake right there, and a little, look, it's a wheel that you spin. I have no idea, there's a hole. Put your pinky in there and get it cold for a second. Oh, maybe it cools your cigarettes.
No way.
Just kidding, but it's got a hole in there. It's crazy. What, Tony?
Well, you guys, like I said, for maybe $4,000 from start to finish, you could have yourself a nice family-sized SUV. See you the next car.
So this Xterra, I really like this Xterra.
Is it like your dad's car had one of these?
Yeah, this is probably his that he pinned between the mountains. See if it turns over. They're nice cars. Oh, it probably is.
He just left it in the mountains.
Yeah, he did.
This looks good, dude. Sucks it's not third row seating.
Yeah. Look, it's got your little side steps that you like.
It's got a new serpentine belt inside of it.
It's got the step right there. You wanna go back there? Okay.
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely a cool little SUV.
Oh, how bad is the damage? We got a flat
Oh,
tire.
really? This is what you had us looking at?
Yeah. It's not too bad.
That's... No, man.
The big spider web, I can see it.
No, it's not too bad, I guess.
Watch out, Tony, spider web's on your face.
Ah!
Ah!
Yeah, you set me up. Get it? Oh, gross.
Okay, what we have right here is a 2017 Chevy Equinox LT. It's a minimum bid, that's a bummer. So its retail value is $0. That means I'm getting it for $2. It's got 201,000 miles. It runs and drives. It's all-wheel drive, 2.4 liter automatic transmission. And so it says it runs and drives. Wow, look at the interior on this. This thing is sweet. Oh man. Oh, the battery's dead. That sucks. It is dead. Well, we're not starting this one today, but let's go see if we can find one that starts. This is a good buy. It runs and drives. It's just here at Copart under normal wear and tear. It has 4 cylinders. As far as miles per gallon, it gets 21 in the city and 31 on the highway. Seats up to 5 people. It being here at Copart, it should go for about $4,500 tops. Either way, if it goes more than $4,500, you'd still be making a profit on this vehicle. After you fix it up, you can get about $10,000 out of it. So, this is a really nice car. For a flip, this would be a good one. All right, let's go see what else is here.
Oh, I love the seats, dude.
Get out of my car.
Look at this. This is a Ford Taurus, a newer one.
Oh, what's the damage?
It's not bad, dude.
The window's broken out for some reason.
It's not bad damage.
I know, I'm trying to see why the window's broken out. I remember this damage. You gotta check that after your Dodge Journey incident.
Yeah, I remember.
God. Oh God, that's a problem.
No key.
No key?
Oh, wait. Oh, it's a lie.
It's a lie.
It's a lie?
Mm-hmm.
It has a key. Try to start it. Is it push start?
Yeah.
You gotta push your brakes on it.
There's no lights coming on now.
There's
Unless
wires.
you gotta touch it. Some of these things you got
There's
like.
wires.
Dangling.
That's not good.
All right, I just
Is the front end missing? There's a ton of parts in the back.
tied it down.
It might not have hit the radiator.
And you can re-bolt that on.
Yeah.
Right? You know? Well, that's good. How much is it? Anybody
I don't
know?
know.
Oh, it doesn't have a key though. So, I don't know. I don't want to take that chance.
All right, let's go to the next one.
All right.
What we have here is interesting on a few points. First off, this is a 2018 Ford Escape EcoBoost. Retails for about $18,000 and has, I think, about 45,000 miles on it. And as you can see, it's got some interesting water damage everywhere. We got mud line all the way up through the whole front of the car. Yeah, I was about right. It was about 46,500 miles. But overall, I mean, it's looking pretty good. Oh, you got a little bit of a ding right here. Looks like someone got pit maneuvered. Oh, another interesting thing, if you look up here, somehow someone caved part of the roof in. Oh. Yeah, we can bang that out. Yeah. Well, we got ourselves a nice fancy flooded car. Let's see if it runs and drives. As far as Copart's concerned, it does.
It says it runs and drives?
It sure does. Oh my gosh, you got mud everywhere. It smells nice. Still smells like a new car. Other than the airbags going off, ripping the heck out of the entire interior. All right, well, let's see how it turns over. It sounds nice. Oh, it wants to struggle. Oh, put a little gas to it. Vehicle is on. We got ourselves a check engine light. Not surprised.
Yeah.
Tell you what, before we even get interested in it, let's close it up and see if it actually runs and drives. Heck, even the reverse camera is still working. That's a plus. Man, I mean, given the fact of how much it survived all this water and mud, I mean, I don't see any reason why we can't just power wash the inside. The whole front end of this car has been under. Tell you what, let's turn it off. Let's go check out what the under the hood looks like. All right, it's always like a mystery where the lever is. Where are you? Oh man, you got like reach in.
This is it. Look.
Oh, where?
I think that's
Oh,
it.
good job, Anthony.
Oh,
That's why you're bringing apart. Man, this inside is disgusting. Oh, I don't know how it's running and driving so well. Look at this thing.
Look, it's still got mud on it.
The entire front end of this car was underwater and it's running. I mean, get this cleaned off, maybe that check engine light will turn off. Who knows why it's on right now? I assure you it has to do with some of this. You know what I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna check the oil or under the oil cap or any of that, because I'm not gonna be the one responsible for getting dirt inside of the engine of this thing. And look, here's an odd thing about Copart. They put this thing as a front wheel drive with 4x4 option. This is an all-wheel drive. There's no option to it. Copart puts down what they can, but not everything's accurate. So come out here and check for yourself. Another thing they neglected to say is the fact that this is a flood car. They don't even have it mentioned that it's a flood car. They haven't mentioned that there's some top roof damage, but if I were to buy a car, I would like to know that the entire front end of the car was underwater, as well as most of the inside. Granted, it still works, but buyer beware. Come out here and check out these cars, people. Don't just read a little list on the computer and think it's all good. Let's go check the next one. Gross. And it's still wet.
Oh, that's gross.
Just, oh, dude, my pants are ruined from it. Another faulty of Copart. Bring clothes you don't mind ruining. That was not my case.
Seriously,
right.
that's why I'm in my birthday suit. Did I use that wrong?
Nope.
Here's our Pathfinder.
The 2001?
Yeah.
The third row seating? No.
Smells good in here.
It smells really nice in here.
Could just live in there.
Some people do.
Give your brother
A new home?
give your brother a new home. No, you know what? That would be nice. That'll be in the next video.
Dude, that's in a whole new series, Bachelor Pads. We're here outside of a 2002 Pathfinder. Let's check out how his home's looking.
Yeah.
That Pepsi bottle right there, that's his bathroom.
That's his bathroom. That'd be awesome. We'd so do. If you find our videos entertaining, smash that like button and subscribe. Let us know what you liked about the video.